Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Denny's app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Denny's app is a restaurant and food ordering platform that makes it easier for customers to enjoy America's diner anytime, anywhere. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows users to browse the full Denny's menu, customize their meals, and order for pickup, delivery, or dine-in. It also integrates the Denny's Rewards program, where customers can earn points for every purchase and redeem them for free food and exclusive offers. The app's main features include real-time order tracking, easy menu customization, and quick reordering of favorite dishes. Users can find their nearest Denny's location, view hours of operation, and even schedule future orders for a specific time. The app also provides access to limited-time offers and personalized deals, making it a valuable tool for frequent diners. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's clean design, fast checkout process, and the convenience of managing their rewards digitally. The order tracking and customization options are often praised for accuracy and simplicity. However, some users have experienced issues like slow loading times, login errors, or missing reward points after certain updates. In summary, the Denny's app may be worth using if you frequently dine at Denny's and want to save time ordering, track your rewards, and receive exclusive deals directly in the app. However, occasional performance glitches may affect the experience for some users. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.